This is how to do the pie charts for your poster. Now you have three kinds of questions in your surveys. Yes, no questions, open questions, Likert scale questions. First kind I'm going to show you now are the yes, no questions. So look at your surveys and see, maybe you have three yes, no questions, something like that. If you are 2 people in your group, 3 people in your group, 4 people in your group, maybe one person does all the yes, no questions because they do it all in the same way. Another person can do the open questions and another can do the Likert scale questions. That's very easy. You've got your surveys, you've got the questions answered. The moment all you do is put the word yes and the word no here in column A, doesn't matter what line. Count the yeses from your surveys. So say 10 cadets answered your surveys and you're doing question by question. This would be, for example, question 1. Question 1 was a Likert scale question. Look at question 1 in all the surveys and count how many said yes, how many said no. So, for example, 7 said yes, 3 said no. Okay, that's your answers. Total answer for question 1. Highlight, highlight, insert. I'm going to go for a pie chart. Okay, there we go. The question answers have turned into a pie chart. And now I want the numbers, though I want the no numbers. It just says yes and no here. That's great, but I want numbers. I want that 3 and 7. So I right click, add data labels, and there I've got my numbers. Also, where it says chart title, this is where I'm going to put my question. The actual question from the survey was, do you play sports at the weekend? Okay, so I'm only putting in my question now. So that's ready. I'm going to save this, save as. I'm going to just put on my desktop, survey pie charts. You can do it in the, oops, and just, I'll open it up and I'll save that as question 1. That was Q1. That's all I have to do, Q1. Okay. Okay, 3 types of questions in your surveys. That was the yes, no. Let's look at open questions now. Okay, so you need to have the answers here, not your questions. You need to be, so let's imagine, I'll just pop it here so you can see it. My question was, what sports do you prefer? Okay, so that was my question. So I have to put here my answers. So some people said football. Some people said golf. Some people said judo. Some people said running. Some people said swimming. Okay, so I put my numbers here. 4 people said football. 2 said golf. 5 said judo. 6 said running. And 2 said swimming. Like that. Same thing as before. Highlight, insert, pie chart. There, we've got it. Nice. I've got all my different things here. Right click, add data labels, gives me the numbers. Change my chart title to the question. So I'm copying and paste just to make it easy. Paste, paste, delete that. Save. Let's say that's, for example, question 4. So, on desktop, where are we? It's question 4. You getting that? You getting how to do it? It's not so difficult. You can look at it again. I'm going to go on to the next type of question, which is the Likert scale question. So I've got a new chart. So I've got a whole bunch of answers. Strongly agree, neutral, disagree, strongly disagree. Like that. Okay, so always in this column A, it's yes, no, or all the answers, or if it's a Likert scale, you put them here. And again, you count up how many people total answered strongly agree, how many answered agree, how many were neutral, how many disagreed, how many strongly disagreed. These are your totals. You're looking at all your surveys, get your total, highlight, insert, pie chart, do them all like this. My question was, I forgot to do my question. I'm just stick it here so you can see it. Oops, don't like doing that. It's spoiling my chart. I'll just pop it here for 2 seconds so you can see. My question was, I need to lose weight. Okay, so that is what the question was. Copy, substitute the chart title. The question, I go home and paste. Just need to lose weight. Tidy it up. Delete these extra words. I need to lose weight. Right click, add data labels, and it gives me my numbers as well. There's my Likert scale. Save as. Desktop. Let's say that, for example, that was my question 5. Now I've got them all. I've got 5 questions done. I'd see I did them quickly. It doesn't take very long. Take my digital poster that I started preparing last week. Okay, the easiest thing to do now is open your pie chart for question 1. There we go. Sit over it, not over the actual pie chart itself, over the white part. Click, copy. Where's your PowerPoint? Click, paste. Just put it on top of that, and there you go.